Running a business isn't easy, but your tools shouldn't add to the complexity. At DaBrian Marketing, we empower businesses to unify their platforms, streamline operations, and build smarter, faster websites that deliver leads and revenues. Outdated systems, scattered tools, and disconnected platforms can slow you and your staff down. Poor website performance and fragmented customer data can cost you leads and revenue. That's where our Content Hub solutions shine. Meet Content Hub with DaBrian Marketing. Strategic planning. We collaborate with you to create a tailored strategy and revenue growth plan designed to maximize your investment and deliver a higher return on investment, ROI. Unify your technology. We integrate your CRM, Marketing Hub, and Sales Hub seamlessly, so your customer data works for you, not the other way around. A smarter website. Imagine a website that's faster, smarter, and fully connected. With everything in one place, your team saves time and stays focused on what matters most. Personalized content experiences. From crafting unique customer journeys to delivering data-driven content at scale, our Content Hub helps you create memorable interactions across every stage of the buyer's experience. Boost revenue and efficiency. With streamlined content management, your team is empowered to focus on growing your business, not wrestling with technology. Your website should work as hard as you do. Turn it into your most valuable asset with DaBrian Marketing and Content Hub.